How to add a question to a quiz, Part 3. This video is the final part of our three-part series on adding a question to a quiz. If you haven't watched parts 1 and 2 yet, we advise you to click on the link on screen or locate the link in the description. In the last video, we demonstrated how to add a question from the question bank and how to add a random question. In this video, we will demonstrate how to 1. Preview a question, and 2. Edit the question page breaks. Let's get started. On the questions page, go to a question and click on the icon that looks like a magnifying glass with a plus sign. The preview window will open up where you will be able to look at the appearance of the question. Note that the standard instruction for a multiple choice question is displayed since we set the option to show standard instructions in the quiz settings. Let's quickly look at the main settings in the preview window. Scroll down and open up the display options. Here you can choose to show whether the answer is correct, the marks, the specific feedback, the general feedback, the right answer, and the response history. Click on Update Display Options to activate any changes you make here. Keep in mind that none of these settings affect the actual quiz. These settings only affect your preview. Now we can try out our question. Remember that what we are able to see here is a result of the display options we selected. Let's select and submit an answer. Remember, this is just our display. What the student will actually see during or after a quiz depends on the review options of that quiz. To reset the preview, click on Start Again. Note that there is also a Fill in the Correct Response button. To exit the preview, click on Close Preview. Now let's take a look at editing the question page breaks. This may come in handy if you want to customize the layout of the questions in the quiz. For example, if we wanted to have 2 questions per page as we have already set here, but then also place all of our random questions on one page, we could do so by manipulating the page breaks. We currently have 5 pages. To add a page break, click on the plus sign positioned beside the midpoint of 2 questions that are on one page. To remove a page break, click on the X icon positioned beside the midpoint of 2 pages. Now all of our random questions will be displayed on one page. That's it. Now you can preview a question and edit the question page breaks. This wraps up our 3-part series on how to add a question to a quiz. For more content like this, visit our channel page. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.